I can take you anywhere, I can take you home. I just wanna be there so you never feel alone. I know how it feels to be lost inside this world. Don't give up, don't give up, no.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titilayo, and if this is your first time seeing me on your screen or stopping by on my channel, it is very nice to meet you or welcome. If this is not your first time, you know the drill. A one, a two, hey, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome, welcome back. Welcome to my bathroom. As you can tell, I'm in my bathroom looking a mess, and I've been looking this way for about, I don't know how many ever days we've been on quarantine for. This is my usual look when I'm at home. I really, sometimes I don't have the robe, it's just a big shirt right underneath. I've been looking a mess throughout the entire quarantine season. There's need for a change. I'm going to be showing you guys how I take care of my hair. I'm going to be doing my nails. I got a kit that I'm going to be using to actually do some gel nails, but I'm also going to be doing a pedicure at home. Last but not least, I'm actually going to be doing a full-blown facial. Yo, I've never had a facial done before professionally, but you know, I do some things here and there, so I'm really excited to do that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on. I started off by brushing my teeth because dental hygiene is completely important when you're trying to pamper and take care of yourself. I went on to shave my entire body. I shaved my legs, my underarms, and I also applied a little of the shaving cream to my eyebrows to groom them. I have a video showing how I do that, and I'll leave that in the description bar. Once I was done, I decided to wash my hair. I have some dried up gel from the week past, and my hair just needed a little TLC. I detangled and sectioned my hair off and then washed it. Now applying rice water from a soak that I did last night, and I'm just taking the water and applying that very generously to my hair. And this is a treatment that I just started doing. If you guys would like more information on the rice water treatment, then just let me know and I'll probably film a video showing you guys that. Once the hair was all sectioned back up, I just put my shower cap on just so it didn't affect me when I went into the bath and so it wasn't dripping. Now for my bath, I'm taking this bath soap that I picked up from the dollar store. It's just one with a lavender scent. Nothing special, and I'm going to take my eucalyptus oil and just apply a little bit of that to help with my sinuses. I decided to light a candle just for more scent. This was a peach candle, and I also added some Epsom salt as well. I stayed in the bath for about 40 to 45 minutes before I used my callus remover to remove the dead skin on my foot. Once I was done, I went in with this apricot scrub as well as a foot brush, and I brushed my foot and also used that scrub all around my body with my sponge. Now onto my pedicure. As you guys can see, my feet definitely need total love and care. First off, I'm going in with a nail clipper and just clipping off my toenails. I went in and wiped down my toenails using rubbing alcohol, and this was just to help with the surface. And I went in with this cuticle pusher and just pushed back my cuticles a little bit, and I also used it to remove the dirt from underneath my toes. I also went in with a cuticle clipper and just clipped off the excess cuticle around my toes. I went on to file my toenails to help shape it up and also prepare it for the nail polish. So before my nail polish, I went in with a nail hardener because if you've ever broken a toenail before, you know how painful it is. So I decided to put a nail hardener just to make sure my toenails are stronger and also grow stronger while they're growing. So I went in with a white nail polish, and you can never go wrong with white nail polish. Forgive my polish job, it was very bad, but I fixed it in the shower the next day, and also by going in with a brush with a little bit of nail polish remover around each toe. Whatever was left around, I still went in and washed it off in the shower the next day. I went in with a top coat and just applied that to my nails as well. So once I was done with the pedicure, I went in with some moisturizing lotion as well as some baby oil just to make sure my feet stayed hydrated the entire day. Now for my fingernails, I got a gel kit that I used to do some gel nails. I will be releasing a separate video showing you guys how I did that. So my hair had been sitting in the towel and it was completely dry now. I decided to go in and apply the Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner as well as some oil. I sectioned my hair back into the sections that it was in and massaged it from the roots to the tips of my hair. Alright guys, so once my hair was sectioned off, I let it sit while I did my facial. I started off by cleansing my face with this black soap. This is the Dudu Ocean black soap and I absolutely love this. This has been a staple like forever. I absolutely love this and my face brush to help strip my face of any dirt. Once I was done, I washed that off with some lukewarm water and dried my face using a paper towel. Now I took this regular coconut oil that I picked up from my Walmart and I just applied this generously over my face to help as an aid when I was shaving my face. So this process is actually called dermaplaning, where you shave the hairs and peach fuzz off your face, and I've never tried it before. It left my face feeling really smooth and looking really nice. I also took the time to fix up my eyebrows and take away the excess hair that the shaving cream was not able to remove. So once I was done, I took off the oil using some lukewarm water and soap, and I dried my face again using a paper towel. Back to my hair, the conditioner and the oil had been sitting on it for about 10 to 15 minutes, so I decided to go ahead and style my hair. I'm going to just be gelling it down using my Gorilla Snot gel, and I use this because it's a very good protective hairstyle for this period where you can't get your hair done or you can't get cornrows done. It's a pretty good hairstyle to run errands with, but at the same time it can also fit under my wigs for when I'm filming videos. I went in with this mousse, it's the Lodo Body Mousse, and I just applied that all over my hair and also wrapped it with a wrap set to make sure it dried and set in place. Alright guys, so while my hair was drying, I decided to continue with the rest of my facial. I took this hot water in a pot that I boiled and steamed my face over that. I applied some eucalyptus oil as well as tea tree oil into the mix, and I stayed underneath there for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, I just want to quickly come in and give a check-in. So I just took the towel off my head now, and this is actually like my first time steaming my face. And I must say, like, it's an experience. It is an experience. I'm gonna have to wash my face first, but like, I just wanted to quickly tell you guys, like, this feels so good. I feel like parts of my face were sweating that I have never sweated at before. Like, my eyelids were sweating, my lips were sweating. They feel so good right now. But I just wanted to quickly give it a check, and I'm gonna go rinse my face with lukewarm water, and I'm gonna come back to finish the rest of my facial. Alright, so once I washed off the sweat, I decided to go in with a mask, a pore cleansing mask, because right now my pores are open and it's the best time to be able to get out all of the dirt and gunk that's in there. So I went in with this Indian clay mask and applied this all over my face. I mixed that with my apple cider vinegar for even stronger effects, and I just waited for this to dry. It was dry in about 15 minutes. As you guys can see, it is so dry and really tightening. I literally couldn't open my mouth, and so I washed that off with some lukewarm water and again dried my face using paper towel. And because that mask is so dehydrating, I decided to go in with a hydrating mask. This one is just a sheet mask from Scent Ives, and it's supposed to be a glowing mask as well. I just found this at Walmart and was very intrigued, and so I decided to pick one up and I applied this on my face. The directions said to keep it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, so it was also a perfect time to use my ice pack for my eyes to depuff my eyes. So I decided to use them at the same time and just took a 15-minute nap while that was going. So after about 15 minutes, I took out the ice pack as well as the sheet mask. As you can see, there's a lot more moisture to my face now, and I just rubbed in the rest of the serum. I decided to go in with these eye patches that I picked up also from Walmart. I didn't really like these a lot, but they worked as far as it goes. And I went in with this lip scrub that I DIY'd at home using some honey, sugar, as well as lemon, and I just applied that all over my lips and kind of exfoliated gently with it. So I let the eye patches stay for about 30 minutes like was directed on the pack, and then I took it off to continue with the rest of my facial.
To continue with my facial, I went in with a toner, and this toner is from The Ordinary, and I just applied that all over my face to tone my skin. Once I was done toning, I took these acids from The Ordinary as well as my aloe vera gel and mixed them together to form a serum for my face, and I applied that all over my face very generously and rolled it in using this jade roller. The jade roller had been sitting in the freezer for about 10 minutes before this, so it was very cooling, and it was just an amazing feeling. Like, I've been seeing the jade roller for a long time. I never picked one up, but this was definitely a great buy. It was absolutely an amazing feeling. I went in with some Marula Oil from The Ordinary and applied this all over my face as well to help with even more hydration. Now for my moisturizer today, I took this Pond's cream. It's a moisturizing and hydrating cream, and I'm absolutely feeling like my face has been feeling a lot dehydrated lately, so I decided to go in with a hydrating cream just to help boost my skin. I'm taking my eye cream from Origins and just applying this to my under eye area very generously and also very carefully. Went in with some Vaseline for my lips just to help seal in that moisture, and that was pretty much it for the facial. I took off my head wrap and also kind of cleaned the perimeter of my hairline using a wipe because I had some of the clay mask stuck on the wrap.
Alright guys, so I have come to the end of my pamper session. I feel so amazing. I feel like this was much needed, like absolutely needed. But yeah, I feel so great. I'm just like over the moon. I'm probably going to make this a once a month thing even after the quarantine, just because I feel like it's really nice to be able to, you know, take some time off, an entire weekend off, and just pamper yourself. I'm really in love with my nails. I actually can't believe I did this myself, but well, I mean, I kind of believe it, but it came out like really well, really well for my first time, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, I'm also very excited about my facial. I'm gonna see how long this lasts. Like, my skin feels amazing, like so bloody amazing. But anyways guys, I'm gonna go now and just enjoy the rest of my day, and yeah, all of the things I used will be in the description bar. I'm gonna leave links for them, so make sure to check that out if you're looking for anything in particular, and I will see you all in my next video, God willing. Stay blessed. Bye bye.